Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Hi, I am 28 years old, male, a uniformed personnel. May partner ako ngayon and almost 7 years na kami. He is 70 years old now. Nakilala ko siya right after I graduated in 2018 and nung nag-work na ako sa isang private school as a teacher. He was a doctor and a politician that time. After how many months, we decided na maging kami. Yes, a romantic relationship. That time, doon na rin ako tumira sa kanila. Pinakilala niya ako sa family, relatives, and mga kaibigan niya. He helped me in almost all aspects of life, especially financial. Kasi teacher pa ako noon sa isang private school and maliit lang talaga ang sahod ko. He gives me a life na komportable talaga. Pinapasok niya ako sa uniformed service. Binilhan ako ng sasakyan, binigyan ng business, binigyan ng lupa as investment at iba pang luho like clothes, shoes, and jewelries. Binigay at binibigay niya ang buhay na I think pangarap ng marami. Happy naman ako with him. Ngayon, we travel local and abroad. Kain lang ng kung ano-ano. Tipong ini-enjoy lang talaga ang moments together. Unlike before na puro siya lang ang gumagastos, this time ako naman. And recently, I booked a travel abroad para sa birthday niya. Nag-ibang bansa kami since may pera na rin naman ako kasi I have a stable job na in konting negosyo. Kami ay typical na magkarelasyon, may mga away. I don't see any problem with that kasi normal lang naman yun. But eventually, hindi ko alam ang nangyari. I felt like parang gusto ko rin magkaasawa and build my own family. I still consider myself as a straight guy talaga. May girlfriend ako ngayon and 1 year na rin kami. Hindi ko rin naman siya gustong iwan because he helped me and my family. He built me. He molded me. Tinuruan niya ako sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay. Masasabi kong nagpo-progress ako sa career, business, and sa life ko all because of him. And I owe him a lot. Hindi niya alam na may girlfriend ako. At hindi rin alam ng girlfriend ko na I have a long-term partner. And guess what? Minsan may mga okasyon or celebration sa buhay ko na they are both present. Hindi ko alam if nakakahalata silang dalawa about it.